Faizan said from Diesel Plane.
One sec. Can we have a question from this side, please? Can somebody take this mic, bro?
Shahid. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Shahid, first of all, I want to know, okay, South has been a lucky charm for you because Kabir Singh, definitely, you did a movie. Being in a Bollywood, find the South copy remake made you a boost a lot in Kabir Singh. And
तूने
that
क्या
was-
एक सेकंड में तारीफ करके खत्म कर दिया ना साउथ ब्लॉकबस्टर कॉपी रीमेक
No,
एक लाइन में
I
मैं
mean,
ऊपर गया और मैं वैसे नीचे
No,
एकदम
no,
जमीन के
पहले
ऊपर
पहले भी आपकी अलग चार्मिंग थी, अलग अंदाज था, पर कबीर सिंह में आपका पूरा अंदाज बदल दिया,
जी।
सबका माइंडसेट बदल दिया कि नहीं, शाहिद कैन डू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रोल एंड ही इज अ प्रॉमिसिंग एक्टर राइट नाउ. सो आपको लगता है कि साउथ एंड व्हाई वुड साउथ रीमेक, मतलब अगेन
यार ये तो बार बार साउथ बोल रहा है ना, ये बड़ा ऑफेंसिव है. साउथ में ना बड़े सारे स्टेट्स होते हैं, तो बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट विच आई दिस इज माय सेकंड तेलुगु
one, yeah.
रीमेक, राइट?
Telugu
दिस इज अ
remake.
तेलुगु रीमेक,
Yeah.
या?
So, do
And your next two films are not that.
या सर, दे आर नॉर्थ.
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट टू फिल्म
you want to tell
नॉर्थ.
about that?
Sorry?
Those movies, next two movies?
आई विल कम अगेन, यू डोंट वांट टू मीट मी अगेन.
Okay, I would like to meet you. Okay, one more question, Muna.
पूछिए.
Gajani 2. Actually, it doesn't come out like that. There are many Hindi films being made in Telugu and Tamil also. But it's not publicized well here, it's publicized there. And yeah, the recent Pink is the one which is a blockbuster there, produced by Mr. Dil Raju. So there are many films like that, but it doesn't come into the press here. There's the reason because of the localization. Thank you.
Right, there's a lady. Yes.
You should always approach every film like it's your first. You should never get into a film thinking मैंने पहले ये किया है, मैं आज इतने साल काम कर चुका हूँ, मेरी इतनी फिल्में रिलीज़ हो चुकी हैं, लोगों को मुझसे ये देखना है, मैं सेट पे जाके ना ऐसे कर दूंगा तो डायरेक्टर ताली बजा देगा. ये सब बकवास है. आप वही एक्टर हो, एक फिल्म में आप बहुत बेहतरीन काम कर सकते हो, अगली फिल्म में आप बहुत बेकार काम कर सकते हो. मैं खुद एक ऑडियंस हूँ और मैं कभी कभी बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर्स को देखते देखते सोचता हूँ व्हाट वाज दिस पर्सन थिंकिंग व्हेन ही वाज डूइंग दिस रोल, यू नो. यू हैव टू स्टे अवेक एंड यू हैव टू स्टे रेलेवेंट. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स. कई बार मैं अपने से बहुत ज़्यादा यंगर जूनियर लोगों का काम देखता हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मुझे और मेहनत करनी चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली वे टू अप्रोच इट. एवरी फिल्म इज़ अ न्यू जर्नी. Every time it's going to be something new. जो हो गया वो हो गया. Nobody cares about that. उसका पैसा उन्होंने दे दिया. Audience वापस आ रही है. You have to give them something substantial. And that's what I hope I can do with Jersey.
All right. I hope our cast and crew has answered all the possible questions that there were to be asked.
You from Padmavat, Kabir Singh, now Jersey. The next is with Ali Abbas.
बीच में बत्ती गुल भी आई थी. You can say it. I don't mind. Always be honest to yourself, bro.
So my question to you is: you have gone very commercial with your choices. If you look at it, is that a conscious move?
यार Kabir Singh was an adult film. Okay, first of all, Kabir Singh when it Arjun Reddy, sorry, when it released in Andhra, the business was not very massive or something. You know, their films do 100 crore plus business. The business was very good for a newcomer film, right? I never choose films according to their commercial potential fundamentally. Of course, nobody wants to do a film that flops, but you want to tell a story really well. Now, if that story is more accessible, then it's obviously better because you can take that story wider. But I've also done stories that are less accessible in terms of, like, I mean, Udta is a film about drugs in Punjab, and Haider was a film which was about the problem of the common Kashmiri man, you know, so these are not things that everybody is going to be interested in. But you should always tell the stories that you really, really want to tell. I think Kabir went very wide in the Hindi, in the Hindi film fraternity. So we didn't really know how big it will connect. But I very strongly felt that I want to tell this story. I want to play this crazy character. I'm very excited to play this crazy character, you know. And so I did it. You know, beyond that, how do you know? I mean, I don't know. You know, I'm just doing things that really excite me. And of course, I'm very conscious and aware of the fact that I must try and do films which are more accessible. That's definitely something that I have learned to do more now, and very much after Kabir Singh, because there is a wide audience that has seen that film, and I want to give them a great story again, right? But I'm not chasing, trying to do the same kind of character again, trying to tell the same story again. That doesn't excite me. This old wine, new bottle, ये सब बोलते हैं लोग, मेरे को ये बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता है. You know, मैं बॉटल बनाने नहीं आया, मेरे को वाइन में इंटरेस्ट है. It should be something new as a character, it should be something new as a story. The reason I chose this film is because it is an extremely strong story with an extremely original, fresh character. And that to me is the right thing to do when you've played something as aggressive as Kabir Singh and as a film that is as loved as Kabir Singh. You cannot chase it. You must find something that is equally potent and put all your energy in that. I truly believe this film is very, very potent. And so I chose to do it.
Okay, we have
The film. And the one thing that I will say very proudly is that there's no shot in this film, which has been played without a seasoned ball. We have, first of all, had no CG shots in this film. Everything is played with a real ball. Me and Gautam, much to the frustration of everybody else on the set, okay, because we were shooting in Mohali, okay, and the boundaries are big in Mohali. Ask any cricketer whether Mohali is a big stadium, they'd say, बहुत बड़ा boundary है, ठीक है? And we would not okay a shot if a 4 doesn't cross the boundary and if a 6 doesn't cross the rope, we would not okay that shot. So we worked very, very hard to bring authenticity to the sport part of this film. I would not say this is, you know, how do I explain it? I mean, it's a sports drama, but I mean, it's actually the journey of these characters with the backdrop of cricket. I think that's how I would like to put it, because at the forefront of it is the journey of these characters and, you know, actually the journey of the human spirit and the triumph of the human spirit. And what this film talks about is that you should just chase your dreams. You know, I've been doing that since I was 20 years old. I never thought I'll be an actor. I never thought I'll be sitting here in this position, wearing these nice clothes, with people who have so much money funding my films, and, you know, girls who are 10 years younger than me, smiling away, wanting to work with me. So I think I've, like, done really well for myself. And I never thought I'll be here, so it's amazing. And you should always chase your dreams, and it's never too late. Age is never a barrier. And this film is about that. And so for me, this is...
time for two more questions.
Hi, Shahid.
Wait.
Hi, Shahid, towards your right.
Ex-
Hi, Shahid. Can I ask?
Where's the question coming from? Can you just put your hand up?
Hi, Shahid.
One sec. There's a question coming from here, Shahid, on the left.
Hi, Shahid.
Should I go?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Shahid. Hi, good evening everybody. Hi, this is Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood.
Mayur, where are you? I'm sorry, I
can you
can't.
see
On your
me?
left side.
Hi,
Yeah.
Mayur. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks.
wonderful trailer and you know, Gautam, I haven't seen the original, but I read about the film. The one word which struck with me about the film, you know, it's that it's about a late bloomer. So my question is for Gautam, Runal, and Shahid. You know, in the ever populated world where the emphasis is always on hiring youth, you know how difficult it is for a person in his mid 30s or 40s who's not been successful in the early part of his career, for them to beat this late bloomer. So can each one of you, starting from Gautam, Runal, and then Shahid, could you give your perspective on this? Thank you.
Sure. Thanks for that question. The true idea behind the story when I wrote the story 6 years back was we always draw inspiration from success of people. I mean, whether it's a successful person or a successful event, we always draw inspiration from them. And for me, the true inspiration should come from their effort, that spirit to be successful rather than the success. So that's how the idea of the story started. And these people who really try hard to be successful or really try to do something in their lives are all around us. I mean, it could be a father, it could be the person who drives you to work, it could be a sister, it could be a friend. So my basic idea is to tell the story of all these people who are around us and their success is not being celebrated. So this story is that celebration of human spirit to be successful rather than clapping for the successful people. So that's the basic idea behind the story.
See, for me, my aim is not success. My aim is the journey. And this is what the film is about, the journey. Success, to aa hi jayega. Like, even when I started, I was not running behind success. I started because I wanted to experience. I wanted to witness what it feels like to be an actor, to share screen with, such wonderful actors like Pankaj sir and Shahid, and to be directed by Gautam sir, and have these wonderful producers having immense faith in me. And for me, this film, this story is deserved to be told, and each and every one sitting in this room will be able to relate. Whenever you watch this movie, you will relate that there are circumstances जहाँ पे उठाने पड़ते हैं हमें कदम. We can't really do anything. It's just, we are just reacting to the situation. So, yeah, so to sum it up, I would just say it's a journey. Success आएगा नहीं आएगा वो ऊपर वाले के ऊपर छोड़ दो.
मैंने ना 20 साल जर्नी किया, अभी मेरे को सक्सेस चाहिए. इसने अभी 2-3 साल पहले स्टार्ट किया है. What's your question? No, tell me, no? About late bloomers? So I agree that is a part of this film, and that is to some degree, an angle that plays into this film. But we've seen films about late bloomers earlier also, and there have been a couple. I think Tufan was somewhere also similar. So this film is not just about a late bloomer. It might give you that impression because we are not revealing the story right now. We're just giving you a younger version and an older version, and you're just seeing moments of their, maybe current state of reality, as opposed to, one looks more glamorous and one looks more like down. But you have to travel the journey of this film to understand what it's actually about, and you actually, hopefully, if you wait for the climax, and if you sit till the climax, then you will understand what this film is about. To me, it's much larger than all these things. What the film speaks about is I think, in spirit, what Gautam sir spoke about, which is it talks about the human spirit. See, success is what? What is success? I mean, if you win a medal, is that success? If you come first in school, is that success? But what about everybody else who worked equally hard? Why is that effort not celebrated? And I think that's something that doesn't happen in life, but in cinema that can happen. You can celebrate the emotion and the effort and the work that each one of us put in all those moments where we didn't get celebrated. Maybe it didn't go that well. Maybe